Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the region in Brawlhalla. Sometimes while playing Brawlhalla, you might experience lag, high ping, or want to play with friends in a different region. Changing your region can help you connect with different servers, improve your gameplay experience, and etc. Launch open Brawlhalla game on your device first, and once the game loads, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. Now this will open up the settings menu where you can tap on change region. Select a different region you want to play from, and once done, click on add servers. Select a region you would like to change to from the menu, and then you can go ahead and start playing the game. Your chosen region will be set automatically, and there you have it. That is how you can easily change your region in Brawlhalla. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.